Hi there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we will talk about rules in Microsoft List. Rules are very useful guys. They can help us to get a notification whenever let's say new column or row being added. You can also get notified whenever there is a change in let's say process or a data field. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, so here you can see I already have opened Microsoft List here and one off list. Let's say I want notification whenever somebody make a new entry here. So what we can do in this case is we can go here in automate and then go to rules, then click on create a rule. Okay, now here we will see that we have option of getting notification. Now we need to choose what kind of change will trigger this notification. Whether somebody changed in certain data in the column, then you will get notified, or there is addition or deletion of data. Let's say whenever somebody add new row, I want to be notified so that I can plan for their travel journey. Now here what we can do is we can send email to created by, which will be kind of confirmation, or we can send email to someone in organization. For example, these are the employees of this organization. I can select name of these employee and then I can click on create. Now this is the rule that we have created. So whenever somebody will create a new record, I will get notified. Now again, let me go to automate a rule, and this time let's go to manage rule, which will show us the number of rules that we have created in this Microsoft List. Now again, go to create rule. This time I want, whenever there is change in data column, and then which data column, let's say approval status. Whenever there is a change in approval status, then here we have got different option, which is to anything, to a particular value. Since we have not defined a value, so I'm gonna keep it to anything. And then here I want this to be notified to created by, which is author. This means that whenever somebody plays a travel request, and then after placing this request, the approver approved it, and then change the approval status, let's say to approved, Harry Wilson going to get this notification. So in this way guys, he do not need to come back to the SharePoint list to check the approval status. He will be automatically get this notification as soon as his manager approve his request. So in this way guys, we can utilize these rules to improve our productivity in Microsoft List. Now let's talk about how we can delete any rule. Deletion is pretty easy guys. We again need to go to automate and then go to manage rule, and then here you need to select the rule which you want to edit or delete. After making a left click, you will see the option of either editing it or below on lower left corner to delete it. And in this way guys, we can edit or delete rule inside Microsoft List. And remember guys, we can create rules up to 15 numbers. And if you want to know more about it, you can click on learn more and can see the detailed guide of how one can create the rule. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.